now you've got credit. You've spoken to somebody about credit, specifically me. We've pulled a credit report. We've done an analysis of it. It looks good. Now you want to move forward, okay? When you start talking to your realtor, specifically Carrie, if she's going to go out and present an offer for you, they're going to want what's called a pre-approval letter, okay? Now, a lot of lenders, there's two types of approvals out there. I call them approvals. One's called a pre-qualification and one is called a pre-approval, okay? A pre-qualification is just basically somebody's professional opinion or an educated guess as to how much you could qualify for. There's no formality behind it. I do not pull a credit report, or I should say credit report is not pulled. It's basically verbal communication on what is your income, how much debt do you think you have, what do you think your payments are, how much do you have as far set aside for savings for your down payment, closing costs, so on and so forth. And then we just give you our professional opinion or an educated guess as to what that is. That's a pre-qualification letter. They don't hold any muster. They're not really worth the paper that they're written on, okay? If you present an offer with a pre-qualification letter, it is not going to be viewed as strong as an offer that Carrie presents for you with a pre-approval letter. And that's what we do at Mortgage One, specifically myself. When a customer comes to us and they want to get approved for a home loan, I will do what's called a pre-approval, okay? What I do is I will gather your information, hard documentation, assets, income, pull a credit report, and we will generally run that information through a computer-generated underwriting system. There's two different platforms that are available for us to use. We will take your information, put it in the computer system, run it through that simulated computer underwriting service. It'll generate either an accept or an approve eligible. Once that is taken care of, then the pre-approval letter is issued to the borrower. That pre-approval letter is solid. Okay. You've done your due diligence, you've gone through the process, not the complete process, mind you, because it still has to go through the formal underwriting process of a live body underwriter to review everything and make sure that Mark did all of his job correctly, dotted his I's and crossed his T's to make sure everything is in place. But when the pre-approval letter is issued, that has more sustenance than the pre-qualification letter. If you're up against somebody with a pre-qualification letter, they have a pre-approval letter, 9 times out of 10, your offer is going to be bypassed or looked over because you did not do your due diligence. Okay, so you want to make sure you get a pre-approval letter versus a pre-qualification letter.